Oh, we're ready to get going. I know that for sure. We're ready to get going, get all these boats in the water, get them off the land. Once it warms up to 65 and sunny for a couple days, then phones will be ringing off the hook. It's a busy time of year. Winter and summers are kind of slow. Spring and falls are always a busy time getting them ready. First thing you gotta do is get it ready for the water, paint the bottom, put new zincs on it. General maintenance that you have to do. Then we come around, pick it up with the hydraulic trailer. And then we take it over to the travel lift. We put the drain plug in so it doesn't sink. And then we proceed to launch it in the water. And then we tow it around with our Boston whaler, our yard boat. Simple, straightforward process. I'm wishing it would warm up a little bit more. Usually, or a couple weeks before this, usually right after St. Patrick's Day, that guy goes in with the weather, we still got a snow pile over there.